Hi, you can earn $1,000 per day from YouTube without showing your face. Yes, this is the truth. This is the make money online method that I want to show in this video that will require no technical skills from your side, no technical knowledge about video editing, you do not have to shoot your face on camera, and you do not have to know any video editing, any complex software to edit videos. All this is I'm going to show you in this video, and how easy it is and how good and how popular it is to reach $1,000, even more, even double or triple your earnings every month without showing any face on YouTube, and YouTube going to love to pay you money. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you two example channel that you can follow, and you can is going to start building videos like that. And the first YouTube channel is called Hello Muffy. Yes, you go over to YouTube and search for this channel name. You can see that Hello Muffy is a really very good, and this channel already got 8.5 more than 8.5 million subscribers, and you can show that how this video is performed. It's simple. You can see it's simple crashing videos. Yes, this is the method I'm going to show you. I want you to hope right in to be earning money on YouTube. This is the easiest way. You have vehicles, right? We have a vehicle. Everybody has some vehicles, no matter small or big, they have. So why not use it and crashing simple items, simple cheap items, and make and compile those videos into one good and one big video and upload it on YouTube and make money with that. Why not try that? Definitely, this is the greatest, this is the biggest concept right now. It's a viral concept. You just simply go over to these video channels, YouTube channels, and follow how they are crashing and what they are crashing, and you can see that they are all very cheap items and it's available everywhere. You also have them, so why not try this at home? So simple video making idea. And I'm going to show you the second channel, which is life hacks and experiments. This is also a big channel having a 9.6 million subscriber, and you can see that they have also making similar kind of videos, crashing some cheap items or some interesting items using their crasher or using their car, using their vehicle. And this is really awesome. You can see that all those videos are getting thousands of views, and it's very easy, and you do not even have to make thumbnails. You do not need to make any thumbnails. It's already it's just getting from the video. That's it. So no work at all, only crashing it, record the video and make the video and upload it on YouTube. That's it. So if you just go over to Social Blades on Hello Muffy, and you can see that on Social Blade, this channel is monthly earning like $200 to $3,500. So in reality, it's in middle or somewhere in the average. So this channel is already making $1,500 or something like that, and this is really awesome. So this channel is making more than $1,000 every month just by simply crashing some items here and there. That's it. If I check on life hacks and entertainment on Social Blade, you can see that this channel is monthly making like 3,000 3k dollar to 50k. So it's somewhere in the middle. So it's already already making $25,000 every month. So isn't it crazy? Yes, this is. You have to hop in right in to make this type of videos. All it takes is simply use your vehicles and use some cheap items and crash it and record it with your smartphone. You do not need any expensive camera as well. You simply have your iPhone or a smartphone, Android phone, is just simply shoot the video and record all those crashings. And then I'm going to show you the site which is called Clydio.com. This is a free online video editing tool, and you do not need any knowledge. You simply record all those crashing videos and go over to Clydio and click on video maker here. When you click on video makers, it will ask for choose files. That's it. So when you upload all the crashing clips here, just right click on it and upload all the crashing videos that you have recorded on your smartphone, and it copy it to your PC and upload it to Clydio, and it will stitch it together automatically and it will compile it in a longer video. And that's it. You just simply download that video and upload it on YouTube by making a channel and then upload it. And regularly, please make sure to get success, upload daily videos. Don't forget to upload daily videos. You have to upload videos daily to keep up with YouTube algorithm will know that you are a regular YouTube creator, and they will promote you much more than others. So this is the way to success in this time, and you can this is really very good concept. You do not have to face any cameras, you do not have any technical knowledge, you do not have to have any graphical expertise, and you are simple. You can simply with your mobile camera you can make high quality videos, and this is high really popular niche to work with, and you can earn decent amount of money, more than $1,000 every month. So if you are liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos, new videos every day uploaded to your entertainment. So all it takes is simply stay with my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.